I'm Tag from MarketMan, and today I'm going to be introducing two of our newest AI-powered features that we've shipped. Those are going to be AI recipe suggestions and AI recipe match. And the idea of these newest features is to dramatically save time on building recipes and to help restaurant operators come up with new recipes potentially into the system. The way that they work is I'll click into a sale item that we've added to the system. Usually these are pulled in straight from the POS when we establish your connection. To leverage AI recipe match, I'll click in here and then I can easily reference a screenshotted recipe from Excel or from Google Docs and load this into the system. And what MarketMan will do and our AI tool is intelligently match the items that we've put into this template against what we've already loaded into the account from an operator's order guide or pictures of invoices. And it's very easy from here to simply add all of the items from that recipe or those suggestions into the recipe, include the quantity, and the system will automatically cost this out for us as of our most recent purchase from our suppliers. The second way of doing this is to use the recipe suggestions feature, which will create a new menu item for, so I can show this in action. And let's call this a copy, an item I have. And I just need to go to AI recipe suggestions. The system will then look at the name of the item that I've created into the system, try to understand what it is, do online research to understand better, and then pull up a suggested list of ingredients and as well provide reasoning for why we're including those ingredients. It's great to have some alternatives as well included into the suggestion, but same idea here. We just need to add the item into the recipe, include the quantity, it's costed out, and we can do this for each of our ingredients. It'd only take a matter of less than a minute or a few seconds to complete our recipes here. And these are the first of many AI-powered features that we're going to be launching over the course of the next year and well into the future. So we're tremendously excited about this, and we know that this is going to empower our restaurant operators to manage more faster.